this is Austin from The Body Curious, and today I'm going to be talking about fascia. I haven't talked about fascia for a while, but it's coming back into fashion, so I thought it's worth reminding you all of what it is and what it does. So as a demonstration, for those who haven't been to my courses, I will get one of these wonderful things out, a lovely little balloon here, and the human body is a pressurized system, and the air inside this balloon, for the sake of argument, will be the muscles, and the bag that goes around those muscles is the fascia, in this case, the balloon itself. So, for those of you who don't like squeaky balloons, please put this on mute until I've finished, and hopefully we will have something that resembles a little dog. Here we go. Okay, so, there we go. So, it worked for a change. So here we have a doggy balloon, and now as a body worker or as a therapist, we can define this doggy by having, oh look, it's got a body there, and we've got a tail and legs and, you know, ears and a nose. And this is similar to what modern Western medicine has a tendency to do, is it gives muscle names based on its function or its appearance, like the vastus lateralis, okay, which actually just simply means the big flat one, right? Now, this is all very nice and very informative. From a surgeon's point of view, this is wonderful. However, from a therapeutic point of view, what I tend to say is, well, hang on a minute, if someone's injured their leg, this doggy's got a poorly leg, we work on the leg, which obviously makes sense, doesn't it? However, what makes us believe we're not working on the rest of the body? Remember, this started life off as a single balloon, and this is, as a demonstration, useful to remember when it comes to working with fascia. I have built this doggy based on talking, as in talk, and what really is a viewpoint of fascia that is held by many body workers that work with fascia is that actually, rather than simply working on where it hurts, where we perceive the injury is, actually we kind of need to unwind the system first. And this is what we often even call it in Bowen terms. We talk about it as being under fascial unwinding. And I'll show you what I mean. If there's an injury, we think it's not quite right, is that actually I kind of need to undo the system, and actually really I'd need to undo the whole system really. Okay, so I need to kind of unwind the system, yeah, and then kind of rebuild it again. So, if we're lucky, we'll get a whole new doggy. Yes. Now, it's basically the same. However, we've actually got a different shape. And we've done this by resetting the system. We've unwound it, and this, as a metaphor for body work when it comes to fascia, is really useful. Is that actually by using talk, is that this unwinding nature of fascia is really useful, and looking at it as a whole. It is a single continuity matrix, and it's a pressurized system. And actually, if we want to reset the system, we kind of need to unwind it, so that the pressure redistributes, and then we can put it all back together again. And that is, let's say from my point of view, one of the many models I use to demonstrate how the body functions in a different way. There are other ways of doing it, but this is one of mine. So, please tune in next time. Cheerio!